Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will start looking at the Ethereum price action. Finally, we saw a long-awaited new all-time high for the Ethereum price action. At the moment, Ethereum is trading around $2,050. I really hope that you enjoy and learn from this video. As usual, I will provide a key educational content with clear levels, and this will help to take your own trades. Bear in your mind, the levels for the BTC and Ethereum are changed. In this video, I will disclose the first and second target for the Ethereum. As I mentioned, once we're going to break the important level of the Fibonacci, which was around 1930, 1960, and I promised to you guys to give a target level for the Ethereum. So before we start, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now without wasting time, let's start from a lower time frame. 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, once we couldn't stay above 1670, 1650 level, we went underwater and we had a nice V-shaped recovery under a higher time frame. As you can see, this level of around 1660, 1670 acted as a resistance. However, clean breakout, first retest, second time retested. Since then, we are on the bullish territory. So since half an hour gave a bullish signal, you're already up between 25% with the current price, 23% plus spot profit. Moving on to a 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, similar structure, breakout, retested, and then towards the bull side. Once you entered from the level of 1670, it's already provided a 25% nearly spot profit. Currently, you're sitting at around 23% spot profit. 2 hour time frame is similar as a 1 hour time frame. So we had this resistance at around 1930, 1960 that we've been following in the last 2 weeks. And I said that when the price action recovered last time on the 13th of March, highly likely the market will see a sharp decline. So as expected, we had a dump in the market and then we had a V-shaped recovery. And in the last few videos, I mentioned that we're going to have some sort of consolidation in here. Yesterday's video, I gave a clear target under a lower time frame. I said highly likely we're going to test 1880 and 1865, which I haven't talked in the last few videos about the bear scenario. So my pullback scenario was around 1880, 1865. As you can see, it played out perfectly, dollar to dollar, week to week, and we saw another pump in the market. Finally, we broke 1930, 1960, which we've been waiting for more than 2 weeks. And I clearly mentioned when the price started recovering under 1 hour, 2 hour time frame, I said we're going to wait a 4 hour time frame. Once the 4 hour time frame gives us a bullish signal, then this level shouldn't be a problem this time. So you can see it playing out perfectly as expected. Trade the chart. Chart tells you everything if you know how to analyze it. These are the old levels if you remember. However, my apologies, before I upload yesterday's video, the pullback took place already right before I upload. However, these levels, which I mentioned 1670, 1660, under half an hour, 1 hour time frame, we had beautiful retests and then gave a bullish signals. So if you entered around here, congratulations, you're already up by 25% spot profit. If you're a leverage trader, you do the math for yourself. These are the old levels. When we're looking at the current levels, and we've got another support. However, it is too early for us to talk about 1760 and 1810 levels because 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, as well as the daily time frames are extremely bullish. So there is no point for me to talk about the bearish scenario. So only we can discuss some sort of pullbacks. The first pullback that I'm expecting at the moment, 1980, $2015. If the BTC dumps further, then we might see maximum pullback will take place 1875, 1925. However, this is too early to talk about it, so I will be watching closely how the price action will react for our support level 1. So these are the support levels, and as I said, too early for me to talk about 1760 and $1810. Before I move on to the target prices, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8 and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. It will only take you 5 to 10 hours to master. Moving on to the target price. In the immediate short term, target price is going to be around when you're going to take it from the recent swing high to the swing low, that's going to give us next golden zone of the Fibonacci 1618 2200, which I've been mentioning in the past few weeks. So this is going to be our first target level to follow, after some pullbacks of course. However, we've been following in the last few weeks, since we reached all our target levels. If you remember, the next high time frame Fibonacci level $2,507. So that's going to be around 1618 Fibonacci golden zone 2500. Moving on to the BTC. BTC, once we broke 54,000, 55,000, and the lower time frame, we went under the bear's control. However, on the lower time frame, once we managed to break 54,000, we had a retest, second time, and then we went all the way towards the bullish territory. Since then, BTC gave us, with a recent high, over 10%. Current price, you're already out by 9.5% profit. And these are, bear in your mind, spot profits. Moving on to a daily time frame. BTC is a bit struggling to break the long-awaited resistance line, same as the Ethereum. However, I'm quite bullish for the BTC as well. I'm expecting the BTC price action will follow the Ethereum. And on the daily time frame, we've been following this parabolic curve, and we're still inside and we're still safe. As long as I said, we're going to remain inside this parabolic curve. We've got daily supports around here. As long as we're inside this parabolic curve, we are good to go towards our target zone is around $68,000 and $70,000, and still playing out perfectly, supported number of times of last year. So the daily time frame is extremely healthy and bullish. 4-hour time frame. When we look into a 4-hour time frame, as you can see, once we reached recent all-time high, when the price action came to this level, to the red box, the resistance, I said we're going to have a rejection. We had a clear rejection, first time rejected, second time rejected, and we had a sharp decline in the market. At the moment, we're seeing a V-shaped nice recovery. Again, I mentioned that first time it's going to be a problem for us to break this level. So as you can see, 2 times we tried it. However, we're seeing a small pullback in the market. So what will happen from here is, as I mentioned, 4 hours start giving a bullish signal. So 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, as well as the daily is a bullish. So in the coming days, I don't think that we'll have a problem to break this line. I said exactly the same thing for the Ethereum, and you already saw that we broke this level perfectly. The importance of this level is, this is our horizontal resistance line, which matched with the extremely important level of the Fibonacci level. So therefore, it is going to be tough for the BTC or any other instruments to break it in one go. Usually it doesn't break. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame. After the decline, V-shaped recovery, retested right in here around $55,000, which we had a support and resistance. Since then, once we broke, we had a clear bullish signal on the 2-hour time frame. So you're already up by nearly 10%, with the current price action nearly 8% spot profit. 2-hour time frame is bullish and healthy. Moving on to 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, similar structure, V-shaped recovery, retested. Right here, you can see clean breakout, retested twice, and we're on the bullish territory. So you're already up by 8 to 10% spot profit. So the condition of the 1-hour time frame is extremely bullish and healthy. At this stage, you can see minor support. I said it, but if we're going to lose this support, at the moment, it's too early for us to talk about. We've got upper line of this support level, which is $59,000. The current price is at support level, and the lower line is going to be around 58,400. If we're going to see some sort of decline in the market, this level should hold. However, this is too early for me to talk about. If there will be any update, I will update via my Twitter account. If you're not following me, you can follow at CryptoMagnate8. So instant updates will be via Twitter account. Moving on. So as I said, this minor support is extremely important. In the first place, I will be watching how this support level will play out. If we're going to lose this support level, we might see a decent correction in the market, and the price will come to the minor support, which is at around 57,400, 57,200 area. However, it is too early to talk about it because 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour time frames, as well as the daily, it's extremely bullish, and I cannot see the reason why we cannot break this important resistance level, which we've been following nearly 2 weeks. So once we break this resistance, it's around 60,300, 58,100, and stay above, same as the Ethereum. The next target level is clear That's going to be around next 1618 golden zone of the Fibonacci, $68,000 and $70,000 area. So in this video again, I'm not going to talk about the bear scenario because there is no point for me to talk about the bear scenario. All the time frames are bullish unless we saw some sort of bad news in the market and the market will start bleeding badly. Stay tuned for the updates. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.